Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about adrenal gland. So let me start with the heading adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. So basically if we talk about the location of adrenal gland, it is present on the anterior portion of your kidneys. So suppose these are your kidneys. So adrenal gland will be placed like this. So these are two adrenal glands present on each of your kidney. If we talk about the shape of adrenal gland, they are kind of look like this. Okay, so sorry for my drawing, but just for understanding I am drawing a basic structure of adrenal gland. This, so if we talk about the anatomy of adrenal gland, it is divided into two portions called adrenal cortex, the outer one, and the middle one is adrenal medulla. Cortex outer one and middle one is adrenal medulla. Then if we talk about the layers of the cortex, before that one thing is mentioned in the NCERT, that is the hormone. The less production of adrenal cortex hormone causes the alteration in the metabolism of carbohydrates. So the hormones which is secreted by adrenal cortex are called as corticoid hormones. Corticoid hormones, and the medulla secretes the catecholamines. Catecholamines. Okay. So if we talk about the corticoids, there are mainly two types of corticoids present in the secreted by the adrenal cortex. One is involved in the glucose metabolism called glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoid. One is involved in the mineral or water mineral metabolism, or we can say reabsorption of minerals called mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoid. Okay. Glucocorticoid, the main glucocorticoid name you have to remember here is called as the cortisol. It is the main glucocorticoid, and main mineralocorticoid is aldosterone. This is the main mineralocorticoid. Then if we talk about the medulla, if we talk about the layers of cortex first, so the layers there are three main layers of cortex. One is outer, one is the inner, and there is middle layer. So outer layer is called as the glomerulosa, zona glomerulosa. Middle one is called as zona fascicularis, and the inner one is called as zona reticularis. These three layers names you have to remember. You can remember by the spelling O. So O for outer. Okay. So glomerulosa has a O in its spelling. So you can remember glomerulosa is present outer side. Fussy, you can remember fussy means it's like it is stuck between two layers. So middle layer is stuck between reticularis and glomerulosa, so that you can remember fascicularis will be present in the middle by the name fussy. Fussy means to stuck, right, in Hindi. So these are the three layers involved in the cortex, which means the adrenal cortex. We talk about the medulla. Medulla secretes two main hormones called adrenaline, and second one is noradrenaline. Noradrenaline. Adrenaline is also called as epinephrine, and noradrenaline is also called as norepinephrine. Okay, so these two hormones, mainly together we say catecholamines, are involved in the stress alteration of your physiology during the emergency situations, like in stress. They will be helping. Also called as they are also called as the hormones of flight and or flight fight response. You can also call them emergency hormones. Emergency hormones. Catecholamines are emergency hormones which are secreted during the emergency situation. They will be responsible for your piloerection, then your increase in the respiration, increase in the heartbeat, sweating, all the things which we feel during the emergency situations, all are responsible because of the catecholamine secretion into your body by the adrenal medulla. Okay, so this is about the hormones secreted by medulla and cortex. There are two three things you have to remember here. The less production of corticoid hormone leads to the fatigue and alteration of carbohydrate metabolism, leads to the disease called Addison's disease. So person suffers from the weakness and fatigue during the Addison disease because of the less production of corticoid hormones and the alteration of the carbohydrate. Okay, one this thing you have to remember. There is another hormone called steroid hormones, which are responsible for steroid hormones, which are responsible for the which are secreted by the adrenal cortex and responsible for the hair growth of the stimulation of growth of pubic hairs and facial hairs during puberty. So this is about the adrenal gland and its hormones. So I hope I have covered everything. um, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video with the next gland and next topic. Thank you so much for watching.